Okay, now we're getting ready for the wedding. Everyone is moving out,
Yeah.
except Wade, who's moving in.
Do you want a butterfly?
Come on.
Oh, we have everyone. Let's show those. Those are butterflies to release at the end of the ceremony.
Yes. Yes, Dave.
Just hide it. You have yours? Okay. You have yours? Oh, sorry.
Everyone is set. Everyone is going out to the ceremony.
Yeah, I gotta be careful.
And look, the rain has stopped. So, Alia and Chris will soon be married.